Well, here's what a tore down 3.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton looks like. There's my oil slinger right there, little oil slinger antler. Just goes on there like that, just sits on there. And I got lucky this time because I did clean the crankshaft up with this little grinding type antler thing there on the drill. So, see if I can get my cam out here. Let me set you down for a second. For shit's sakes. Oh, come on. I shouldn't have took my flywheel off. Why isn't that bad? Oh, there we go. Ouch. My cam looks alright. My gears on her. Plastic cam in these Briggs, I don't know why. Probably the older ones were steel, but I don't know, I only had this one apart, and well, I did strip down one, I think, because the base was cracked off it, and it had a plastic cam too, except it was a little bit older, and the lobes were steel, and the gear was plastic, but that's kind of stupid. But there's my valve lifters, and I just got it in the wrong spot there. Just take my lifters out. And there's both my lifters. Now I just got to get my piston out and stuff like that. Now she's turning pretty free. Zero compression is what that is called. But no, there'll be a part 2 to this once I get my piston and rings out and stuff and see what the problem was with it, that it had no compression. Should be interesting. But anyway, talk to you later.